This spacious three-bedroom, two-bathroom residence offers 265 square meters of cozy living space for your family. Let's highlight the living room, an 82 square meter area perfect for relaxation and entertaining, featuring a sectional sofa and expansive sliding doors. This adaptable space is ideal for dining and casual gatherings, equipped with a central table and inviting chairs for comfort. Next, the bedroom serves as a serene retreat, offering a cozy bed and ample space for easy movement within the room. Now we'll examine another bedroom designed for comfort, featuring a cozy bed and plentiful natural light. Let's consider this bedroom as a peaceful haven, boasting natural illumination, perfect for relaxation and personal retreat. Additionally, this sunroom provides a versatile area for leisure and entertaining, featuring comfortable seating and abundant sunlight. Continuing, this bathroom presents a spacious layout with a modern shower and soothing bathtub, ideal for daily routines. The bathroom also includes a practical setup with a contemporary shower, bathtub, and ample storage for personal belongings. Now, let's explore the office. A productive space equipped with a well-placed desk and chair, perfect for efficient work and organization. Let's examine the storage room, a functional area featuring shelving and storage units for effective organization of household items. Shifting to the storage area, this practical space includes shelves and hooks for well-organized storage of various belongings. Next, the office space harmonizes productivity and relaxation, complete with a treadmill and desk, promoting a healthy work-life balance. Finally, this adaptable area is perfect for leisure and social gatherings, boasting a comfortable seating arrangement and a dining table.